Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable spatial audio for your earbuds VIVO TWS 3E. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And right here I have it at the top, you may have it at the bottom. You cannot find this setting, this feature, at least at the settings, on your iPhone. And also not all Android phones have this feature, so you may have it. Now, to enable it, you need to tap on time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. To disable it, you need to also tap on time at the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!